Hi.
Wow! Boss!
How are you?
Welcome out of Italy.
Oh, thank you. Hi.
Right?
Oh my god, tell me everything! We like stars, yeah baby, they're astronomers. Look at everybody camping out with their binoculars. All up in the headlines, me and the wifey. But let them gossip, girl, Blake Lively. I don't know where they getting their news, but I'm not mad. Tonight it goes true. Ooh, let's start some rumors. I wanna start some rumors with you. With you. I wanna start some rumors with
Okay.
How are you? Good.
I'm fine, thank you.
Davis,
Yeah,
what is the function of this machine?
this machine mainly makes mosaics. Come on, camera, we are here, boss. It is mainly a cut for the mosaic, a functional cutting machine for making a mosaic of this straight-edged hexagon.
And this machine have two motors.
Yeah, two motor.
axes?
Yeah, two motor. Copy.
Double head.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a two knife head one cutting machine with two main knives. Then what is the power of its motor? Well, it's packed with 18.5. It can also increase its power according to the thickness of its ingredients. We have 4 for the entire lifting structure. There are 4 inside, a support seat for the lift. Okay.
Very good.
Thank you. Let's go. Yeah.
Boss,
Yeah.
it is possible to installate these pieces here to substitute this. It is possible.
Why do you need this feature? Yeah.
She asked why you use this tool.
To the smaller format, the mosaic.
Yes.
To putting smaller format, the mosaic.
Oh, look at that. It's a very small roller structure. Yes, okay. No problem.
It's okay. Okay.
Yes. Can it be installed here? Good. Yes. Okay. You said we can customize production.
Okay. Very beautiful.
Thank you.
It's very comfort.
Yes.
You custom made for me. Beautiful.
But you have to give me this template. Yes. Thank you. Leave it to me. I'll give it to you for production. Yes. Okay.
This axle is 60 millimeter.
Yes. This is a diameter of 60. 60 is a diameter you can mount 350 saw blades. 400 saw blades are fine.
Davis,
Yeah.
what is this?
This is an operation panel. And we did activities. You can take a look. Our camera can come closer to feed it, which is very convenient for it to work. And the angle is rotated. So it's very convenient to operate.
This is the
Yes, the control system can move and down.
Okay.
And also can rounding.
okay.
Yeah. So it's easy to operate.
Easy to operate. Okay.
Yeah.
You can testing the machine.
Yes. Yeah.
You can testing the machine.
Yes, it's okay. We had lunch in the afternoon and we took it outside, show him the effect of cutting.
Yes, this afternoon after lunch, and then we will use the forklift and then take the machine outside and then testing for you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
So 我们去吃午饭。走。
Let's go. We have lunch. Okay.
Okay. Go.
Thank you.